In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to PalawanPay. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can move funds quickly and confidently. Before we begin, make sure your GCash app is updated, you're connected to a stable internet network, and you have enough balance for the transfer and any possible fees. Start by opening your GCash app on your phone. Give it a moment to load and confirm you're on the home screen. Now, tap Transfer. This takes you to the section where you can send money out of GCash. Next, choose Local. This option covers transfers within the country, including banks and other e-wallets. You'll see a list, but to save time, use the search bar at the top. Type Palawan in the search field. When you see the Palawan option appear, tap it to continue. If it doesn't show up right away, double-check your spelling and try again. Sometimes refreshing the list or ensuring your app is updated helps. You're now on the transfer form. Start by entering the amount you want to send. Take a second to confirm the amount is correct, especially if you're copying it from a message. Look out for extra zeros or missing digits. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum limits that may apply. After the amount, enter the account name and the account number exactly as provided by the recipient. The account name should match the registered name on the PalawanPay account, and the account number should be accurate with no missing or extra characters. It helps to read these details aloud to yourself or compare them with the original message to avoid typos. A single incorrect digit can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong account, so this double check is important. Once the amount, account name, and account number look perfect, tap Send. That's it for the steps. Stay on the screen for a moment while the app processes your request. You should see a confirmation message on the screen when it goes through. It's a good habit to keep a record of the reference number or take a quick screenshot for your personal records in case you need to track the transaction later. If you run into an error, verify the details again and ensure your connection is stable. For safety, never share your PIN, one-time codes, or any sensitive information with anyone. And that's how to transfer money from GCash to PalawanPay. Simple, clear, and secure.